Judgment Girl. You think you can just go around killing whoever you want. You actually think you're better than everybody. You think you can get away with murder? Well, not anymore. You're going down. I'm sorry. Please don't kill me.
Wait a second. Could you repeat that?
Please don't kill me.
One more time.
Please don't kill me.
Hey, it's me. Yeah, call me right back. No. Just call me right back.
Please don't kill me.
Oh, that is so cool.
Please don't kill me.
Thank you.
Please don't kill me.
I should goodbyes forever twice. My princess I've been seen. My strange enchanted creature, I can bump my hands. Together through the poppy fields, we dance la 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 yeah.